PlanForm working out as a part of my reliable workflow, accurate scaling, and intuitive measurement tools. I do think that PlanForm is best fit for QS like myself because it's built for takeoffs, unlike other PDF tools that is mainly meant for office use.
PlanForm boosts our measurement efficiency by 80%, eliminated all the manual errors. It's now our standard tools for project cost estimations and calculations, solving the measurements issues we had in foxit PDF and also Adobe, and easy to use. No training needed, even our design partners asking what platform we use.
So before I start using PlanForm, I mostly use manual methods. The top 3 things that usually slow me down when working with PDF drawing are inconsistent scale across sheets, and manual quantities takeoff on drawings, and also manually tabulate all the measurements and transfer to Excel sheet. It felt fragmented and also time consuming. Now it's more streamlined with fewer manual steps, and I was able to complete my measurement requested by my upper management within very short time before deadline, which most work requested are quite urgent.
Back then, we were either using 3D modeling or measuring on paper by hand, but honestly, it was way too slow unless we had a lot of people helping out. Then we found CAD Reader. It's lightweight, super easy to use, and very beginner-friendly. When calculating the BOQs, we had to break things down into different categories and areas. Another amazing feature is it can actually auto-count all the items in drawings, super helpful.
My impression to PlanForm is that it's well positioned for estimators, and the top 3 standout features for me are auto-tabulate measurement data and export to Excel to reduce the manual steps, and also digital scaling tool. To be honest, PlanForm speeds up the whole process by around 80%, especially on repetitive tasks and multi-sheet projects.
Contractor billed us monthly. Verifying stage complete quantities was one of our most time-consuming tasks. We had to manually extract data like floor areas, concrete volumes from PDF plans, calculate and then compile everything into Excel reports. Our old workflow was super inefficient, mainly for 3 reasons. First, PDF drawings often had inconsistent or incorrect scales, leading to wrong measurements. Second, there were no easy way to measure directly on PDF drawings, so the old methods were pretty slow. Third, manual typing all the data into Excel was tedious and error-prone. At an industry event, I was instantly impressed by 3 key features of PlanForm. 1. Smart scale calibration. It fixed PDF scale with 1 click, ensuring accuracy. 2. Classified measurement. You can predefine areas like basement or floors, measure directly on the PDF and data auto-sorts. 3. One-click export. Result goes straight into structured Excel sheet, skipping manual input.
If I were to rate PlanForm, I would say a solid 9. It's not perfect, but it's quite close, especially for 2D workflows.